Morning, guys. Welcome to lesson number 3 for surface area. And today's lesson, I want to review how to make nets and how to make 3D figures because that was obviously an issue when I was reviewing the Pear Deck yesterday. And secondly, I want to teach you how to find out or determine surface area. Okay, so let's get into our lesson. So, surface area lesson 3, learning goal, determine surface area by nets and software. All right, so today we're focusing on a review of how to make nets and determining how to find surface area for cubes and rectangular prisms. Again, we're finding the area of cubes and rectangular prisms. Really, it's easy peasy, okay, so don't stress. All right, first, how do you make nets? Okay, well, I always suggest you start with a base and then you add the triangular sides. So if I was going to, sorry guys, so this is my 3D shape, okay? It is a pyramid, it's a square base pyramid. Okay, so I start with the base, I draw that in, then I draw my triangular sides. Bear with me because they never look the way I want them to. Oh, yay, that looks pretty half decent. So I thought I'd just show a little bit how to do this. Oh, how not to do this. Again, bear with me, sevens, because this is new software for me and it's really not as easy as you would think it would be. As you probably figured out from Pear Deck yesterday, it doesn't quite do what you want it to do, but you have to make do for right now. Okay, so this is what it should look like. I have my base. I have 4 sides. I don't have a top, and that's what it would look like. Okay. The next one I saw issues with is how do I draw a 3D shape of a rectangular prism. All right. This is what I do. I do the sides first. Okay, so I do the side facing me, then I do a second side over here. I do the same kind of shape, but I kind of do it halfway through the first side. So I draw the first rectangle, and then the second rectangle I draw kind of halfway through and I do a rectangle. Then I just connect the lines and it usually looks half decent. Okay. How do I make this shape here into a net? Well, that was my next question for you guys because some of you guys did not have that piece. So this is what I do, okay? I add the base. So my base is rectangular. So my base is, well, I wrote it's over here. I put my base here, my top here. And then I just put down, there's 4 sides on the shape. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's a top and a bottom, okay? So this is my sides. My top, my bottom. I have 6 parts to my shape, so I'm okay. All right. All right. Another issue I saw, how do you draw a rectangular prism, Ms. Wilson? That was another question that was out there. I start with the side. I don't know if that's the right way to do it. That's what I do. So I draw the triangle side, then I just add sides. It takes a while, and I just try and add depth. This does not look anywhere near as I'd like it to look, but again, I'm on software that I'm kind of unfamiliar with. All right. All right, making a net of said figure. So this shape, how do I make a net of that? Well, I add the base, which is over here. And I have 4 sides. 2 of my sides are triangular, all right? Don't forget that. And 2 of my sides are rectangular. I don't have a top, okay, because it's a prism and there is no top to it, right? Oops, come back, all right. Now, how do I determine